What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is that CE-41813-7 is a database corrupted. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Go to the settings. Here we are at the settings, and go check for the system software update. Sometimes the system software is not updated, then you get this error and your file is corrupted, software file is corrupted. Then you just go turn off your PlayStation 4 and go to the safe mode. When you get to the safe mode, you connect your DualShock with the USB cable and press the PS button, then it's work. So, and then here's the fifth number, rebuild database. Simply you just go rebuild database. The rebuilding database is maybe take a 1 minute or less than a 1 minute, and it will be rebuilt. And after rebuilding database, you get back to your PlayStation 4 and your corrupted file or a corrupted database will be finished and your PS4 is working properly. So that's how that simply you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.